Hello, welcome back to Benmarks Motors. Got a really nice one for you today, quite a rare one to be fair. It's a 2017 Suzuki Vitara. It's the 1.6 SZ5 Automatic. It's the ALLGRIP model. Finished in this stunning Galactic Grey with that contrasting black pearl roof. This looks absolutely amazing. Really nice contrast on the bodywork, obviously with the roof as well. It's powered by a reliable 1.6 litre petrol engine, which produces 120 brake horsepower, and that is paired with a smooth automatic gearbox. The drive is easy, comfortable, and ideal for everyday use. This model also features Suzuki's ALLGRIP 4-wheel drive system, giving you the added confidence in poor weather and extra capability when road conditions become more challenging. There you go, it's the ALLGRIP badge on the back. This specific example is a really low mileage for one of these cars. It's just 35,000 miles and has had only 2 previous keepers. It comes with proof of 9 services, with the most recent one carried out at 34,000 miles, so less than 1,000 miles ago on the service. Showing it's been well maintained to a high standard throughout its life. It also benefits from an MOT, which is valid up until November 2026. It was currently no advisories at its last MOT as well. All positive points going for this car. It does look really smart, I must admit. You know, I do like Suzukis, and these particular models look really nice. Quite large, really nice family car. Plenty of room inside, which I'll show you in a second. The only thing outside that is to note is a little bit of oxidization on this wheel here. As you can see there, a little bit of oxidization. And on the rear driver's side wheel, the only thing letting it down at the moment, and that's obviously reflected in the price really. A little bit of oxidization, but it's purely cosmetic. But even with them, this is still a really smart looking car. Inside we go. Got a really nice contrast on the seats inside. It's got this really nice leather fabric combination, which suits the car really nice. It gives it that high performance feel. It is obviously the range-topping SZ5 model, so it comes with a high level of specification, combining comfort, technology and practicality. It's got a raised driving position, which gives excellent visibility, while the compact dimensions make it easy to park, drive around town, and inside there's plenty of space, as mentioned. So let's have a look. Really nice cockpit. Oh, sorry, it's warm today. So the inside is a bit like a sauna because the car's not been on, but it's warm to start her up. It's foot on the brake, it's a keyless start. So one press of the button down there. Also, you've got some more buttons down here which control the other stuff. And there we go. So 35,608 miles. Absolutely low mileage for one of these. The Suzukis are renowned for their ability just to carry on, and it really shows inside. It's a really nice build quality. Nice big steering wheel. Pretty fun, controls to the side, as you can see down there as well. Really nice car. I knew that was going to stay on. As you can see, I really like the clock on this one. Really nice clock. Air conditioning down below, which is nice, turned on, as you can see there. Nice and easy. And you can change the style up to there. All style these, which I really like in cars. Nice and easy to use, easy to turn. As you can see there we go. Nice and easy. 4 electric windows, all controlled by these switches here. You can lock and open the doors and lock the windows as well. And the windows are retractable, as you can see. There's my beautiful face in there. Heated window, I don't know if you'll see on there, but if you see outside, it is a heated window as well. As we come down, it is an automatic. So you've got your nice, easy to use automatic gear selector. There's a little button at the front, you press it in, and then you put it all the way down into drive. It'll tell you on here, got the D, so we're in drive. It does have a manual, so you can put it into M, as you see there, and then it's telling you you're in the first gear. It's got flappy paddles, as we call them, on the steering wheel as well to change gears. Putting it into reverse, obviously it's letting you know it's in reverse for the R, And it's got a nice reversing camera as well, really easy to use. It's got quite a wide view on it, so you can see quite a lot. Going down, it's got different driving modes. So at the moment it's in automatic, which is what it's normally in when you start up. I can change it into sport, or I can change it into snow and mud mode. In this mode, you can also lock. There you go. So I believe that locks the axes as well, so it just makes it even easier to control those off-road conditions. Turn that off there as well. There you go. Put it back into automatic. Make sure it's in park so we're not going anywhere. 2 keys on this model. You've got 2 Suzuki keys, as you can see there. Some nice cup holders and a bit of storage. And it is an actual handbrake on these ones. A lot of people prefer them. Better to use, better on an off handbrake. Appreciate it's a quick overview. Obviously, if there's anyone's got any questions or want any other stuff, please feel free to get in touch. So it's not particularly a small car, it's not particularly a massive car, but it has that versatility of being an SUV. So you've got plenty of room inside, with it still being easy to manoeuvre, easy to park, especially with those parking cameras. Plenty of space inside. Seats are in really good condition. The previous owner said that they were hardly sat in the back seats at all. Really nice condition. Isofix on these seats as well, and they're a 60-40 split. So one side comes down with the other 2 coming down in one. Into the boot. There we go. Nice decent sized boot on this one. It has got 2 levels. So currently it's got this in at the moment. This can come out. This can come all the way out to give you a bit more of a deep boot. Or you can leave it and separate it for the 2 levels, giving you another secret compartment. Underneath, you've got a spare wheel with your tyre changing kit. Don't often get spare wheels with cars, so it's good to see. So yeah. It comes to part with 2 keys as mentioned, and also it'll come to part with our 6-month warranty for that added peace of mind. In regards to the warranty, you can upgrade the warranty if you wanted longer. We can do up to 4 years warranty on all our vehicles. So if I had to sum this one up, it's low mileage, excellent service history, automatic gearbox, 4-wheel drive, and this standout look and the colours. The Suzuki Vitara SZ5 is a smart, high-spec SUV that's ready for its next owner. If you want to get in touch with us, we're Benmarks Motors. Our phone number is 01482 320 085. You can visit our website at benmarks.uk.com. My name's Ashley, my colleague's Mark. We're both happy to help as much as we can. If you want to visit the car as well, we always recommend coming down, test driving the car, seeing it in person. We are located just off Carlton Street in Hull. And we've got an indoor showroom as well, filled with plenty of other cars ready for you to look at if this isn't particularly your cup of tea. But again, thanks for watching.